What is composting? Composting is a mixture of organic materials that breaks down to become fertilizer. There are two main types of composting, anaerobic and aerobic. This presentation will focus more on the aerobic composting. History of composting. Sir Albert Howard is considered to be the father of modern day composting. However, composting has its roots in early Greek and Roman times. The most important aspect of the chemistry behind composting is the carbon to nitrogen ratios. Ideally, you'd like to see 25 to 30 parts carbon to 1 part nitrogen. Here are some common approximations of materials used in your compost pile. If you have improper ratios, for example, too much carbon will slow down decomposition. Too much nitrogen, on the other hand, can cause the release of ammonia. This effect will cause a foul smell. Other factors affect the rate of decomposition and the effectiveness of your compost pile. There's an air factor and a moisture factor. Ideally, you'd like to keep the moisture in your compost pile between 40 to 60%. The external temperature also plays an important factor in the effectiveness of your compost pile. Warmer temperatures will speed up decomposition. Colder temperatures can stop and slow down your decomposition. Particle sizes smaller is far more ideal. There's also a volume factor depending on your location. Any size really can do, but if you are looking for optimal effectiveness, areas close to a lake, 4 cubic feet, Midwest, 1 cubic yard. pH levels in the soil, ideally you want it to be between 6.5 and 8 on the pH scale. Here's an example of an ideal compost pile for Bowling Green. Overall, composting may not be for everyone, but it is definitely something that everybody should consider.